Welcome to e-hallpass. This video is for teachers, staff, and admin level users, and it will review the e-hallpass dashboard. In general, the dashboard is the same for all non-student users. There are a few minor differences for admin and/or staff role users, which we will try to point out in this video. Once you log into e-hallpass, you will be taken to the main dashboard screen shown here. The dashboard is the top option on the main navigation menu on the left. It is the main screen that you will use to monitor, approve, and search for today's passes. If we look at the top section of the dashboard, you'll find statistics that may be helpful in getting a quick view of what's going on with your passes or passes in your building. The numbers in the My Passes section show how many active passes you currently have over how many passes you've had today. The Building Passes section shows how many active passes there are currently in the whole building over the total number done today. The Flagged Passes section should show the number of passes that have exceeded certain thresholds. There is also an active pass limit indicator, which shows if a limit has been set by an admin for how many active passes can be taking place at the same time throughout the whole building. If you click on the number, you can see the types of passes included in the limit, but as a teacher or staff user, you will not be able to change these settings. If you are an admin level user, you will have access to edit these settings. If there is a dash here instead of a number, there is no active pass limit set for your school. The system defaults to showing you the main dashboard for the current day. You can also click on the Appointment Pass dashboard to see details regarding any appointments you may have scheduled or that have been scheduled for your students. In the next section, there are options to manipulate the pass information you see on your main dashboard and possibly also auto pass settings. Here you can pause your dashboard from dynamically updating. This might be helpful if you need to sort or search the passes or just look at the details of a pass. The next area is the Auto Pass Settings button. If this does not show on your dashboard, your school may have decided not to use this feature in e-hallpass. If it does show, you can click on this and configure the rooms that you would like to set up for use with AutoPass. Please see our separate training video on the details about setting this up. Next, there is a toggle button between Only My Active and All Active Passes. This allows you to see all active passes in the building on your dashboard or narrow it down to only your active passes. Additionally, there may be times that you want to check the Include Ended Passes box, which means you would then see ended passes, either all or just your ended passes, depending on how you have the toggle set. Please keep in mind that there are some admin level settings that can limit what you see. If you are only seeing your passes on the dashboard, it might be due to system settings at your school. I'd also like to point out the Advanced Search feature. When you click this button, your screen expands and provides you with the ability to search today's passes by student, teacher, or room. The search results will be shown on the dashboard screen. Notice the dashboard updates are paused. You can click Resume Update and clear search to get back to the normal dashboard. You can also minimize this section when you're not using it. Let's review the pass information on the dashboard screen. There are different colored passes and pass types that you will see on your dashboard. There is a legend and a key at the bottom of the screen that defines these. A white pass is a pass that is awaiting approval from a teacher or staff member. The amount of time will be set by your school. Here the pass will wait for 5 minutes to be approved. After that, the student would need to initiate a new pass. A green pass is active. If the pass turns yellow, it remains active but means the pass has exceeded the first timing threshold and is a long-running pass. The yellow color is designed to draw your attention to the pass in case it's something to follow up on. Again, the school will decide what the time setting will be for yellow passes. The next threshold is the System-Ended Pass. When the pass has run for this set amount of time, the system will automatically end the pass. This pass will show in the red-orange color. There are also extended passes that your school might have set up. These are to certain locations that typically take more time than allowed for the normal passes. An example might be the nurse's office. And the last color is gray, which is for an ended pass. You can also see the different types of passes that will show on the dashboard and their abbreviations here. These will show in the pass type column and are used throughout the system. Let's look at the details of the passes that show on the dashboard. The first column will show you if the pass is a flagged pass or has exceeded the set thresholds. Then you will have the total time for the pass, some with edit buttons, if you have access to edit the pass times. There may be cases where you want to correct the timing on a pass you interacted with, which is what the edit button is for. Then we have the first and last name of the student. This is also where the number of passes a student has done for the day will show on passes awaiting approval and active passes. Notice you can sort each column on the dashboard using the arrows to the right. Here we have the out time and in time columns. If someone other than the expected person approved the pass, their name will show in red here. Then the type of pass and the status or comments field. For any pass, you can enter comments on the pass from the student device or from your dashboard. Simply click the blue hyperlink here to get the comment window. On the dashboard, you can also add comments to ended passes. This concludes our dashboard overview. Thank you.